Hello everyone, it's Jeff in New York and we're back downtown in Las Vegas. Today we're going to visit the El Cortez Hotel and Casino. The El Cortez Hotel and Casino is the longest continuously running casino in Las Vegas. It's located off the Strip in the Fremont East Entertainment District. The El Cortez first opened its doors on the corner of 6th and Fremont in 1941, and it was so successful that it attracted the attention of Benjamin Bugsy Siegel, who bought the property. Last year, the El Cortez was voted Best Downtown Hotel by the Best of Las Vegas Awards. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. On display here in the middle of the casino is a 1941 Lincoln Zephyr Coupe. It was built the same year this hotel opened. Photo opportunity! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. And here is the El Cortez check-in area. As you can see, things are much different downtown than they are uptown where the big boy hotel and casinos are. Seems like my fingers keep showing up on this video. You'll have to excuse me. I just picked up a new hand on Fremont Street and I'm just getting used to it. And here is the El Cortez gift shop. If you plan on visiting Vegas in the near future, check out the link below in the description. 50 things to do and tips while visiting Las Vegas. Perhaps the smallest casino bar I've seen in Vegas. This deli is called Siegel's 1941, named after Bugsy Siegel, the mobster who bought this place back then. I guess that's Bugsy himself on the back wall. Time for a shout out to Wise Malik and Eye of the Sun. Both of them spotted Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in past Las Vegas videos. Congratulations, guys. This hallway reminds me of The Shining. I guess rustic is a good word to describe this place. I mean, I have a feeling it didn't look much different back in 1941. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.